the beginning and I back stitch, and we're done with the hem. And we're almost done with our skirt.
Go.
Okay, so we've sewn the casing for the waistband and the hem. Now we're ready to put our elastic in. If you're making the skirt for yourself, you need to make your elastic the measurement of your waist plus an inch. This is for a little girl. I'm not sure how big her waist is, but I'm going to say it's 22 inches or 20 inches. So I'm measuring 20 inches plus an inch, and I'm just going to cut it off and take a large safety pin and then I'm going to put it through my waistband where the opening is. I have a thread here. And you just work the elastic through. When you come to this seam, that might be a little tricky, but usually if you work it through, it'll go through. Your elastic, I believe, is about 1 inch. Uh-oh, I'm stuck. I don't know why this isn't going through. Pause it. Okay, so it's very important that you keep your stitching close to the edge of your casing so that you have enough room for your elastic. Now, you don't want the elastic to go all the way through, so you have to hold on to the other end when you get close to threading the elastic all the way through.
Could you pin it?
You can put a pin in it. And now we're back at the beginning. I can't quite get my pin through. There it is. So once you've got your elastic threaded all the way through, you can take the pin off and hold on to it so that it doesn't go back into the seam. Ouch. And then you're going to sew these two ends together. You can either hand stitch them or you can use a zigzag stitch on your sewing machine. I'm going to put a little pin in here to hold it. And you also want to make sure your elastic isn't twisted. Okay, so you just pull that out. Put it on a nice wide zigzag stitch. Go forward and then backwards and then forward again, because there's going to be quite a bit of pull on that. And now you can just work that elastic into the rest of the band. You got to pull on it a few times. And I hope I haven't twisted mine. Then you want to try it on and make sure it fits. And spread your gathers around. And last, you want to sew that opening shut without catching the elastic. Some people will hand stitch that. Alright, there's your skirt. There you go.